In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a report in Salesforce. Whether you're handling data for business analysis or preparing a presentation, knowing how to export reports efficiently is an essential skill. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure you can do this effortlessly. First, open Salesforce and locate the app launcher. This is where you get access to the different applications within Salesforce. In the search bar, type reports. This will quickly bring up the reports tab where all your saved and generated reports reside. The next step is to select or run the specific report you wish to export. You might have a particular report in mind or need to generate one based on your current data insights. Once you identify or run this report, you'll see different options pop up around it. Now direct your attention to the interface near the Edit button. You'll notice a drop-down named More Actions. Click on this drop-down to reveal further options for managing your report. Among these options, you'll find Export. Selecting this will allow you to start the process of downloading your report. Once you click Export, it's time to choose the export format. Here you are presented with two main options. The first is the formatted report. This keeps the styling intact and is perfect if you're planning to print it out or include it in a presentation where the visual formatting is important. The second option is Details Only, which strips the report down to raw data in a table format. This is ideal if you plan to manipulate the data further in a spreadsheet or need a clean data-centric view without any styling overlays. After you've decided on the export format, you need to choose the file format. Salesforce offers two choices, XLSX and CSV. If you're a fan of Excel's extensive functionalities, .xlsx is your go-to file format. On the other hand, if you require a more straightforward text delimited format, go for CSV. With your preferences set, click the Export button. Your report will begin downloading automatically, typically to your computer's default download folder. From there you can open it, save it to a different location, or share it with your colleagues, and that's it, your guide to exporting reports from Salesforce. This process not only streamlines data handling, but also allows for greater flexibility in how you use your data outside Salesforce. Whether you're analyzing raw data or showcasing a polished report, these steps ensure you have the right format at your fingertips every time. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.